what is going on? Welcome back to another video, and as the title says, I'm not going to beat around the bush here. We're going to a dyno run. It's no like secret that I've been wanting to get this done, but we're definitely also going to be doing a dyno run because I'm curious as to how much power. We'll be definitely taking it to a dyno, so I'm doing the dyno next, so that will be happening in the next video. But yeah, firstly, let's just get it straight, let's just get it out there. For me, the dyno run isn't like by all means like the I don't know how to say it, but it's not the actual point. The actual point of the dyno run isn't to say, yeah, my car is this, my car is that. It's more bragging rights. People really use it as bragging rights. So for instance, they'll go down the pub, they'll be like, oh yeah mate, what's your car running? Oh yeah, about 400 brake. About yours? Oh yeah, about 335 brake. Oh lovely. That's about it. That's as far as it goes. But for me, where I plan to go with this car, the build, etc., and what I plan to do with it on a track day, I definitely want to know the base power, so that way when we do the turbos and we do whatever we're going to do to the car, I'm not going to give away too much, we're able to see how much of an improvement those mods have done. So yeah, I'm going down to Prestige Performance. They're based in Chadwell Heath, Dagenham, Romford area. It's like 3 areas in one I've just mentioned there, which is about 30-40 minutes from me. So I just thought, you know what, let me go down there, get everything tested, and that way, obviously, like I said, we've got a benchmark. One thing, however, is I'm going to definitely take out the air filter. So if you haven't watched my last video, that was an ITG air filter supplied by Williams Performance, so hit them up if you're interested. So I'm going to do a run with the stock one, so I've still got that in the boot, and then I'm going to do another run with the ITG one just to see how much of an improvement it does, because it's classed as a free flowing air filter, so naturally I should have more power naturally. But yeah, also to add, stay tuned for the next video as well, because I've got a little goodie that I'll be fitting to the car, and it's I'm not going to give away too much, but it hopefully should give me more of those sounds that I kind of wanted from an open filter. And I've already gone over this. I didn't want the cone because of the heat soak, etc. That's why I went for the panel. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Also guys, before I forget, Happy New Year! Because it's obviously, today is the what? I don't know, I can't really see actually. Why doesn't my car tell me what day it is? Today's the 3rd of January. There we go. Today's the 3rd of January. So yeah, it's a bit late, but this is the first video in the new year. This year should be more progress. So I'm not the sort of person that sets New Year's resolutions and stuff like that, but I'm just looking to progress every year to better myself, to better the channel, and that way you guys are going to benefit from the content, and obviously I will benefit, not financially, because to be honest I don't get paid much from YouTube, but it's more about, I just like job satisfaction. And if I can see that the likes are going up, the views are going up, and the subscribers going up, then that means I'm heading in the right direction. So in terms of where the channel is heading, reviews, car reviews, we've got loads planned up, and actually we're actually meeting Nick from Auto Communications, who does like various security parts on cars. Gonna have a chat with him about videos, because that's something else I do. Road ahead closed, access only. Wonderful. Where's your head? Yeah, he's got a C63 as well, Mercedes C63, which will be going on the channel, and that car is a car that I've always, oh my lord, potholes! And that car is a car that I've always wanted to drive from like back in the day. I don't know if any of you guys know Lord Aleem, but he had a C63 again, black edition I think it was, and oh my days, the sound from that engine, you ain't find that sound anymore. That sound's not about anymore. And who do you think that's because of?
We used to days. You and me. We used to days. You and me. We used to days. You and me. We used to days.
Okay, so we've made it down to Prestige Performance. One thing I can say, and I know a lot of people are going to be probably arguing and saying, oh yeah, this, that. I could take this car to 6 different dynos, and I know I'll get different numbers, roughly like give or take 5 or 10 brake horsepower. That's why it's very important to stay consistent. And again, like I said earlier, I'm not really that bothered about numbers. I just really want to know what number it's running currently now, so that way when we do run in, say, I don't know, 4 months time, with all the mods that would have taken place on the car, hopefully, we'll be able to see how much of a difference they've all made. But yeah, quick walk around the car. All right, so as I said earlier, the main thing that I've done is I've put the stock filter back in, that way I've got something to compare it against. So we'll do a run with the stock filter and then a run with the ITG filter. Also, I'm currently running Sainsbury's, so it's got Sainsbury's 95. I'm only joking before people are spitting out their coffee. Oh, what? Are you running what? No, I've got Tesco Momentum 99 run, which is the best, and also you get club card points, so it's a win-win situation. Give it a thumbs up if you use Tesco Momentum, and if you love club card points. Let's go, promo. But yeah, as I said, I was going to get here at 9:30, and it's currently 9:28, so early is on time is late. So yeah, we're just waiting on JD now to finish up in there, and then we'll get started. That's the ITG air filter I've taken out. Ignore the McDonald's, it's not mine. I found it there, so I'm put it there. But yeah, ITG filter's out. So now we've got the stock one in, so that way when we do our first run with the stock filter, we can see how much power it's making, and then obviously compare it to one when we stick the ITG in. But yeah, see you guys in a bit. Taking out the paper one, now we're putting in the ITG. So as you can see, we've got some wonderful torque curves here in terms of how it looks. Again, big shout out to Prestige Performance London. So JD, I'll leave all of their details in the description. So 70 quid, quick dyno run, that will give you a couple of dyno runs, and again, super helpful. I will be looking to work with them long term, so in terms of getting it remapped, etc. But yeah, I am super happy. I am absolutely buzzing.
I'll head over there now. Oh, I'll see you in a minute.
Cool, mate. Bye.
Cool. Bye.
Okay, so I am absolutely buzzing. I don't know how many times I've probably said this already, but in terms of knowing that the car is healthy, which again, we'll just take it out of sports mode. Obviously, it's in sports mode for the dyno. We're not going to put it in eco, are we now? But yeah, I'm just happy it made the power, because at the end of the day, oh my days, these roads are very, in Africa we call it logoligi. Yeah, I'm actually very impressed that it made this power, because it shows the engine's healthy. And again, for a dyno, that's the main thing you want to get from it, knowing that your car has made what it should make, or if not more. So BMW 335, it actually made 353. And again, I know before the keyboard warriors get out, I know you could probably go to like 6 different dynos and have it read 360, 370. But yeah, guys, that is the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, give it a like if you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.